Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Solana. Crypto buzzwords are everywhere. But what sets meme coins apart from altcoins, and which is the better choice for your portfolio? Let's break it down and find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Vault. Crypto can feel overwhelming with all the jargon, but today we're here to simplify things. We'll compare meme coins and altcoins, explore their key differences, and help you decide which might be right for you. Whether you're looking for fun or function, this video will give you clarity. Meme coins, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet culture or jokes. They often rely on hype and community engagement rather than technical innovation. While they can offer massive gains during market hype, they're also highly volatile and risky. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, refer to any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. This category includes serious projects like Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot, which aim to solve real-world problems through blockchain technology. Altcoins generally offer more stability and long-term potential compared to meme coins. The main difference lies in purpose. Meme coins are driven by community and entertainment, often lacking substantial use cases. Altcoins, on the other hand, focus on innovation, like smart contracts, decentralized finance, or scalability solutions. Meme coins are speculative fun, while altcoins are more about serious tech. It depends on your goals. If you're looking for quick, high-risk rewards and enjoy the thrill of speculation, meme coins might be your thing. But if you want to invest in projects with long-term growth potential and real-world applications, altcoins are the way to go. For many, a balanced portfolio with a mix of both can be the smartest move. Meme coins and altcoins each have their pros and cons, and understanding the difference is key to making smart investment decisions. Which do you prefer? Meme coins for fun or altcoins for function? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights.